In this video, I will show you how to add end screen on YouTube video from YouTube Studio. So in order to do this, you need to be in your YouTube Studio, and the easiest way is to be in your YouTube browser from your PC. And it's also possible on your phone, but not with the YouTube Studio app, only from your browser, and then you need to be in YouTube Studio. But I'm going to show it how it works in the PC version. So go ahead and go to your video by clicking on details. In the video that's already uploaded, you see in here end screen. And when you are uploading a video, then you're going to select end screen in the second step of the upload process. So right now I've already uploaded this video, so then it will be visible in here. So go ahead and click on end screen. And right now you can create an end screen in here by selecting one from the available ones, or you can import one from a video, or you can create one yourself by clicking on element. So let's say you want a video in here, and let's say you want a subscribe button in here. You can also add a playlist, and I don't have any, but if you have, just go ahead and select them from here. And you can also add a link if you have one, and you can also select a different channel if you are linked to another channel. So that are the options for the end screens. If you are okay with it, you can also change the time in here. So let's say you want the video end screen to have this duration, then you can adjust this manually. And what you also can do for the video, for example, is select if you want the most recent upload, a best for viewer, or choose a specific video. And if you choose best for viewer, YouTube will select a video from your channel that suits the viewer best based on the algorithm and stuff like that. And if you're okay with everything, you're going to click on save, and this way your end screen will be saved. And right now when you publish this video, it will have these end screens. So that is how you add end screen on YouTube video from YouTube Studio. Thank you for watching and subscribe.